There's one thing you should know about me. I specialize in a very specific type of security. Subconscious security.
You're talking about dreams.
Did you like this movie? Have you ever thought how did Chris Nolan was struck with the idea of Inception? From where did he get the idea of Dream Thieves? Well, guess what? It is a real-life phenomenon called lucid dreaming. Using lucid dreaming, you can direct the plot of your dreams. When you are aware that you are dreaming, you are experiencing lucid dream. As the dream unfolds, you are able to discern your own thoughts and emotions. You may be able to control the lucid dream at times. You may be able to alter the characters, setting, or plot. This form of control dream has the ability to alleviate nightmares and anxiety. Continue watching to learn more about lucid dreaming, including what it is, when it occurs, and how you might experience it. But when does lucid dreaming happen? When you sleep, your brain alternates between rapid eye movement, REM, and non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep causes your brain waves, pulse, and eye movements to gradually slow down. Your brain is incredibly active during REM sleep. Your heart rate and eye movements both speed up. Lucid dreaming, like most dreams, occurs during REM sleep. You are aware that you are dreaming in a lucid dream. During the dream state, you are aware of your consciousness. In their lifetime, around 55% of people have had one or more lucid dreams. But what are the advantages of lucid dreaming? There are various potential advantages to lucid dreaming. Number 1. Reduce nightmares. While occasional dreams are common, reoccurring nightmares can be difficult to deal with. They can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. People who have frequent nightmares are more likely to suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, sleep deprivation, sleep disorders, PTSD, medicine, and substance addiction. By minimizing recurring nightmares, lucid dreaming may give relief. You can recognize that the nightmare isn't real during a lucid dream. It also gives you power over the dream, allowing you to transform a nightmare into a more neutral or enjoyable experience. Number 2. Anxiety relief. Lucid dreaming may alleviate nightmare-related anxiety by reducing nightmares. It is also used to treat anxiety caused by PTSD. Anecdotal evidence suggests that lucid dreaming can help with general anxiety, but further scientific research is needed. Some claim it helps them conquer the source of their anxiety. Number 3. Improve your motor skills. Visualizing physical movements can improve one's ability to do them. This could be done during a lucid dream in which the dreamer can mentally practice motor abilities. The sensory-motor cortex of your brain is activated when you practice motor abilities while dreaming. This is the area of the brain that regulates movement. In this way, lucid dreaming may aid in physical rehabilitation for those with disabilities. It may also benefit those who do not have physical limitations by increasing athletic performance and other motor skills. Number 4. Improve your creativity. Lucid dreaming has the ability to increase your creativity. People who are more creative are more prone to have lucid dreams. This could be because of their enhanced ability to recall dreams and envision events. However, anecdotal evidence suggests that it also works the other way around. People say that lucid dreaming boosts their creativity and imagination. While science has yet to prove it, many people utilize lucid dreaming to improve their creativity. Are there any dangers of lucid dreaming? Although lucid dreaming is generally seen as safe, there are potential concerns for persons suffering from mental illnesses. These are some examples. Number 1. Sleep issues. Getting enough sleep can be difficult because lucid dreaming techniques purposefully disrupt sleep. If you have a sleep issue, your risk is increased. Number 2. Anxiety and depression. Sleep problems can exacerbate depressed symptoms and anxiety. Number 3. Derealization. Induction of lucid dreaming combines reality and dreaming, making it impossible to tell which is which. Number 4. Dissociation. Disconnection from your surroundings or self can also result from the overlap of reality and dreaming. You are aware of your dream as it occurs during lucid dreaming. In rare situations, you may be able to influence the dream's plot. Lucid dreams have the ability to lessen nightmares, alleviate anxiety, and enhance motor abilities and creativity. But wait! You might be wondering, shouldn't you guys explain us how to do it? We will, without a doubt. But only in the following video because the subject is so broad. So hold off till then. Please subscribe to Reliever for more information. And click the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates.